Hi, everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with my crafty goals. These are my crafty goals for the month of September, and if this is your first time watching this video, what I've done is at the beginning of the year I set some goals for myself in my crafty life, and each month I do basically a recount of how I did for the previous month for my goals. So part of my goals is participating in several different collabs, and these are all the collabs that I'm in. So for the House Mouse collab, I created one project for that collab, but I was definitely on time and participated in that collab. Every month, that one is on the first of the month, and then Show Us Your Sheet Load is on the second of every month. And for September, that project resulted in 8 cards. Then there's the Smash Your Stash collab. That one was a pretty good one this for the month of September. I completed 6 cards for that collab, and that one comes out on the 7th every month. That has been a really fun collab because the theme changes every month for the different supplies you use from your stash. So it gives you an opportunity to really think outside the box on that one. For the 18th, that's Deb Hauk's jewelry collab, and I was late for that one. I was really late for that one, but I did put up a project and a video for that one, and I created one pair of earrings. And of course, I'm always doing my goals every month. I didn't participate in any additional hops for the month of September. And that's it in terms of the collabs. Um, let's go on to the next one. The next one is my projects and techniques deep dive. And what this is about is all of my YouTube playlists. I save videos for projects that I want to try. It's kind of like Pinterest. I save all these things on Pinterest as well of all the different projects I want to try. I buy projects and supplies for projects, and I bundle them all together, and then I put them in a box, or I put them on the side, or I put them somewhere. Like there's a birdcage project that I've got a whole bunch of supplies sitting right next to me for. I've got a cactus printer tray thing that I've got another box sitting in the corner for. Any unfinished projects not started. For example, a techniques journal, my hex chart for my Sandy Aldock Copic hex chart class, etc. The kits that I've purchased in the past that I've never completed, the magazines that I've purchased that I've never done any projects in. So that's what that projects and techniques deep dive is. And I've done something every month. And for September, the project that I did, I used for my video for Smash the Stash collab, and I printed on paper flowers. So I stamped and printed on paper flowers. And if you want to take a look at that, I'll leave that. Leave a little information card up in the corner so you can click on that and check that video out. So I'm pretty much staying on track with that. You know, I'm if I do 12, I'm assigning myself rewards if I complete certain milestones within each of my goals. And so if I do 3 big projects, and I don't think I've done a single one, there's a goal for that. 2 kits, there's a goal for that. And I've done 1 kit so far. 24 techniques, which would be just basically doing this twice over, and or 12 techniques. So I'm pretty much on par with that, and things are going well with that. Let's go on. In terms of my goal for doing different tutorials, I've completed my paper crafting tutorials. I would like to do more mixed media or polymer clay or jewelry tutorials. I still have one to do on that one, a tutorial on doing chainmail. And I don't know if I'm going to get to it, to be honest with you, but we shall see. And then there's cake decorating tutorials. I haven't done any yet, but it's a beautiful day. The sun is out. The temperature is lovely. I'm in a good mood, and my neurons in my brain are firing. So I'm having ideas. I'm getting inspired. I'm excited to do this, and I've sort of scripted out a little bit of a plan, just quick notes. The first video is going to be how to make the icing, and I'm going to teach a user-friendly kind of icing, and I'm going to call it class buttercream. So it's a very user-friendly, it's shelf-stable, and I'll give a couple of twists on that, and so that's going to be the first tutorial. Then the next tutorial is going to be a piping techniques tutorial. The third one is going to be a baking tutorial, how to do it the easiest way, some tips, hints, and tricks, workarounds, things like that. And then the fourth one is going to be an assembly. So it's going to be actually putting together the baked cake and all of your piping techniques into one single project. And so again, I'm getting ideas of how I'm going to do that. And I've never videotaped myself in my cake decorating, so I'm excited to do that. And I have to tell you, I have to get on it right away, because the project is a time sensitive project that will be perfect for your Thanksgiving table. And it takes time to get all of these videos kind of set up, filmed, edited, and all that. So I'm going to get started on that. If I have a plan of attack, I think that'll help me in the process, and hopefully you'll join me in that series. And if this interests you at all, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Sorry about that. Something fell. And yeah, thumbs up and leave a comment below if you're interested in finding out in seeing this whole series, these cake decorating tutorial series. The next goal I had was to kill a paper pad, kill 4 of them as a matter of fact, and I've done 3 of them, and I am currently on my 4th, and I'm making that a series on how to kill a paper pad. So I've started with the Echo Park Summer Fun paper pad. I know it's fall, but it's a really cool, cute paper pad that, who says you have to do fall things in the fall? But I'm showing you step by step on how to kill a paper pad, how to use them up, and how to go through all that paper in almost no time at all, and how to use up all of your paper pads. Give me a thumbs up if you've seen that one and you're interested to see how that progresses as well. And again, I'm going to give myself some sort of reward for completing that at 100%. So that would be full paper pads complete, and then a reward for 50%. And I've already gotten that 50%. So let's see how that ends in a couple of months. For classes taken, I still haven't finished the projects for Anna Maria Calderon's class on Domestica. I haven't started on the Mandala Madness project, and I haven't done anything with the Card Maker Summit either. So, August, and I just wanted to take a break from doing everything, and I pretty much did. I did all my hops, all my obligations, but I took a break in August. And September, I kind of paid for it in September because things were busy, and I was late with a couple of my other projects. Work was insane. Work was madness, busy, and it's over now. I hope it is anyway. So hopefully I'll be able to sort of rev my engines in October and really sort of pick up the pace on some of the projects and the classes that I want to do. So wish me luck with that. Now, back in the beginning of September, when I was going over my August progress, I already knew that I was going to go over my spend of keeping it less than $500 for the entire year for craft supplies. So I did go over that, and as a matter of fact, I did some purchasing at Hobby Lobby, Hero Arts, and Peachy Keen Stamps, and I went over my total spend by $157. So I am currently at $657.64 for total spend for the month of, well, for the entire year. And in September, I spent $184.49. So I've spent a total of $657 for the year, which, I didn't meet my goal of staying under 500, but I think I did okay so far. I'm going to have to look at last year and see how much I spent last year to sort of judge a little bit better. But, Hero Arts just grabbed me, and I blame Jennifer McGuire for that. And I made my purchase, and they were really great. There was a great customer service, and I really am a big fan of Hero Arts in general, and I bought from them directly. Hobby Lobby, you all know the story with Hobby Lobby. Their clearance sales. And Peachy Keen Stamps. Peachy Keen Stamps retired, but they're coming back with some limited edition printings of their stamps. And there's a lot of people I blame for that. You know who you are out there. Marilyn G., Crafty Bean, and I can't think of the other lady, but I'm sure you all know who I'm talking about. So that's one goal that I definitely didn't meet for the year, but I'm still okay with it. I'm still fine with how things are progressing. And, goals are something to shoot for. If you can make them 100%, well, you're better than me. But I think reaching for them is the point of this whole thing, and I hope you reach your goals. How are you doing with your goals? Goals in general. If you want to share with me your crafty goals, definitely share them in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this series, totally give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you for following along. And if you want to see other people that are also participating in these hashtag crafty goals, go ahead and put in the search bar for YouTube hashtag crafty goals, and then all of the videos will come up for all the folks that have been participating in this over the year. If you're interested in joining us, all you need to do is use the hashtag crafty goals and in your title of your video, and your video will come up for everybody that looks for that. If you want to, you can reach out to me at my Gmail email, and I will send you the thumbnail that I use and that other people will be using for this hashtag. I appreciate you so much, folks. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.